Connect Bambu Lab A1 to Wi-Fi and log in your account. Open Bambu Studio, click Device, and select your printer. Left-click the mouse. Reset all 4 filaments. Proceed when you see indicators. Slice your colorful models as usual. Access Swapper software at https://hicktop3dprinter.com/pages/swapper software to configure sequential plate printing. Import your sliced file and set the quantity per print under each model, and enter the total reprint count in repetitions. Ensure the built plates total doesn't exceed the tray plate's capacity. Here you go. Slice once, print all, automatically run consecutive jobs with different filaments on separate plates, hands-free,